Round 4 agad.
Tama to, tama.
Pwede ba umihin muna?
Ayan ba na? Ito, 40 seconds. 1 minute naman na break eh.
Okay, Brad. Todos los golpes bien seguros, okay?
Pressure. Go in, get it on the inside. Boom. Okay. Not from far away.
Hindi yun ang depression na mag-gang siya. Pero kung siya yung mga 150 nga, mag-throw game yun eh. Yung tama ng kaliwa niya mo.
4. Isa. 5, 6.
Kung siya yung mga bigat,
Kaya.
bagsak na yan.
Well, as guys will often do as they're being touched up. I'm not sure that means anything, really. Pacquiao now getting a little distance between himself and Margarito in CompuBox numbers. That was a very good round for Manny. Harold, how do you have it through 3?
Okay, Jim. 3-0. 30-27. Manny Pacquiao. Jim, I love the guy's power punching. I mean, really, he's winning this fight on clean, effective punching. Now, he shows great ring generalship. Don't take it away from him. He throws the right, then he throws the left, then he sets to the side. So when Margarito comes out of the show, he don't hit him because the guy ain't there. That's
I gotta say, I agree with Harold, guys. I see this as a wide fight for Pacquiao. I think Margarito's doing well in spots and rounds, but I haven't seen a round I thought, oh, maybe Margarito.
I think he's winning, but he's got to be prepared to maybe have to go to distance in case he gets a knockout fan. But even though he's landed and winning the fight, he's got to be. I hope he's in great shape.
I think he might win every round. On the other hand, Margarito is telling his corner and has told them several times before Jerry Olaya, he has no power, he can't hurt me. Talking about Pacquiao. Now, the marks begin to show on Margarito's face as he has a big red welt under his right eye. So Pacquiao can
Dugo! Sige ba? Kaya babagsak yan! Babagsak yan!
Pacquiao and Mosley manhandled Margarito. He's younger and better and faster than Mosley, but he's not as physically strong. And has to do this rather than fully Margarito.
Basag na mo nga! Babagsak! Babagsak! Babagsak yan! Babagsak yan! Babagsak!
Babagsak na!
Wala na, tumumaga na mukha. Bagsak na yan. Sigawan na nga naman. Sayang, Lugi! Lugi, bilayan! Teka, sa malakas, sa malakas.
Pacquiao, no matter how small he is relative to his opponent, has never stopped punching like he needs to.
May nasa katawan. Sumama din sa katawan si
He
Pacquiao.
punches through his opponents. Most of the fighters today, they punch at the target. Very seldom they penetrate.
Ayun! Tingnan mo! Tinabay sa katawan ulit. Mahina sa katawan. Mahina sa tiyan. Inakot sa katawan ulit. Wala na. Mahina sa katawan.
Tatargetin ito katawan.
Margarito slow.
Nabaluktot eh.
Even though he wasn't doing too much in his losing, it seemed like that one body punch took everything out of him.
Paspas na.
Among all the expert comments coming into the fight,
Sinusukli lang tatlo.